Hey, knowledge lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of music production. Whether you're dreaming of becoming a professional producer, creating beats, or simply looking to enhance your sound, learning music production can open up endless creative possibilities. And the best part? I've found some incredible courses that are fully online, so you can learn at your own pace from anywhere in the world. All the courses I'm going to mention today come with certifications so you can show off your new skills. We recommend that you stay until the end of the video so you can find your favorite courses. The links to access these courses will be in the video description, so be sure to check them out. 1. Music Production, Berkeley. If you're just starting your journey in music production, this course is a fantastic place to begin. It covers the basics of audio recording, mixing, and mastering while introducing you to the tools and techniques professional producers use. You'll get hands-on experience with digital audio workstations, DAWs, and learn how to take your raw recordings and turn them into polished, professional tracks. This course is perfect for aspiring music producers, musicians who want to produce their own work, or anyone interested in learning how to create high-quality sound. By the end of the course, you'll have the technical skills to produce your own music and a solid foundation for exploring more advanced techniques in the future. 2. Electronic Music Production, Berkeley. If you're into genres like EDM, house, or trap and want to create your own electronic beats, this course is for you. It focuses on the tools and techniques used to create electronic music, from sound design to arrangement and production. You'll learn how to create everything from deep bass lines to atmospheric synths and driving drum patterns. What's great about this course is that it's designed for both beginners and those with some experience in music production. You'll dive into the creative process, learning how to shape your own unique sound using industry-standard software and techniques. By the end, you'll have a portfolio of electronic music tracks and the skills to keep experimenting with new sounds and ideas. 3. The Business of Music Production, Berkeley. This course is all about understanding the music industry, marketing your work, and turning your passion into a sustainable business. You'll learn the ins and outs of the music production business, including licensing, distribution, and how to negotiate contracts. This course is perfect for music producers, aspiring artists, or anyone looking to navigate the business side of the music industry. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to not only produce great music, but also get it out into the world, build your brand, and start making money from your art. Before we wrap up, here's a tip that could save you a lot of money. All of these courses can be taken without paying for each one individually. By acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription, you'll get access to over 7,000 courses, including all the music production ones I've mentioned, by only paying a monthly or annual fee. It's an incredible deal, especially if you're passionate about learning music production or exploring other creative fields. The link with the best price will be in the video description, so don't miss out on that. So, there you have it, 3 of the best music production courses to help you take your music skills to the next level. Whether you're just starting out, exploring electronic music, or learning how to turn your passion into a business, these courses have got you covered. Until next time, knowledge lovers.